Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. And today's video is about the 2021 crochet along that I have going of the kitchen towel holders. And so I just wanted to do a quick update to show you what I have for January. Okay, so here is my January submission. I have these two. And I believe I found these towels at the Dollar General. So I have two. Remember, I'm doing 4 a month. So here are my other two for January. So I now have my January ones finished. I have my, I said I was going to do 1 pair of slippers a month for my mother. So here is her January slippers. I'm so excited to see everyone's kitchen towel holders in my Facebook group page. It is so much fun. And guys, I was so excited over this crochet along. And I was really hoping you guys would be too. And after reading y'all's responses and seeing all the posts, I'm excited that you guys are excited. So, okay, so let's get on to, oh yeah, the yarn I used for that. For the yellow trim right here, I used some of this Brava worsted yarn. This is a Knit Picks We Crochet medium 4-way 100% premium acrylic, and it comes with 218 yards in this thing. So that was for that one. This is all I had left on the teal part, and this is Brava. Oh yeah, the color of this one is custard. And then this one is called Tide Pool. So that's the two I used for that one. Okay, and of course, you know, I'm using the H hook for these. And I found this hook in my hooks. It's a 1.5, and I believe this came from Hobby Lobby. And I found that it actually goes through the material really good when you do your first foundation row. That it goes right through the material really good. So you may want to look into that. I like this better than what I was using because it has a nicer grip to it. So check out that in case you're doing that part of it to make yours. Hey, Jane from Scraptastic Yarn. She has a podcast, and my goodness, guys, if you don't know about Jane from Scraptastic Yarns, I'm going to leave her link below. You need to go check out her channel. She has a WIT, What in Tarnation, on her channel, and it's hilarious. I love it, and it'll make you laugh, and I love her storytelling. She's a very good storyteller. And anyways, I love her outlook on life. She laughs about everything. And anyway, I feel like she's like a kindred soul. Okay, so she had suggested about getting a box and putting your makes in that you would like to give as gifts for Christmas, and you'll have a bunch of things in there. So I went and bought a few of these at my Dollar General, $4 for this. And I think this would be good enough to put the towel holders in. I bought a couple of these. I think it's what I'm putting my mom's slippers in. Unwind, soak, recharge. And it was just a box, like I said, from Dollar General. And so $5 for that. So I did get some of these, and as Jane suggested, and which I just thought that was a great idea. And so as I make these, I'm going to put them inside these boxes. So I have a couple of them in this style. That's what I did over the past week. I went to my Dollar General and picked up a few things. So okay, so that was January. Just like I said, it was just a quick update. But I would like to show you what I have going for February. Oh, and at the end of this video, I'm going to show everyone that has submitted their finished kitchen towel holders already in my group. I'm going to do a little slideshow at the end of everybody's. Okay, so February, I went to, I needed one more towel, but Walmart, they only had a set of 2. So I went ahead and got 2 of them. Now, let's see. Yeah, so technically I'll have 4 towels. But isn't that just beautiful? Someone in my group made one with this same towel, and I loved it. But I love this too. Look at that, the gold hearts. It is so pretty. Okay, so that's going to be what I work on next month. And I had already done these 3. See, now, these are from Walmart as well. Now, I only needed 1, so like I said, it came as a set of 2, but I figured I could use it, and so what I'm going to do is make 1 more and then save the others, like maybe for next year. You know. So anyway, so that's what I'm working on. And then for the slippers for my mom, here it is. Hers are going to be red. This is mainstay red. This is big twist white and mainstay pink. So I am going to do slippers for her, but I'm even going to put like a red heart on hers, or even a pink heart. I don't know, probably a pink heart, because I think I may do the toe area like red and white stripes, and then the base red, and then the top white trimmed in pink, and then have a pink heart like right here, red and white, and that will be red, and then this will be white, and that'll be pink, and then right here when she's wearing the slipper, there'll be a big pink heart right there. I think that'll be pretty. And I don't know, I may even just put a pink heart here. I don't know till I get it done, right? So I gotta get it made. Anyway, so yeah, so that's the update. Thank you, Jane, for that suggestion of the box. I love that. I am going to, as I make some things throughout the year, I'm just going to throw them all in that box. And then when the end of the year and Christmas gets here, or even birthdays, I have something to pull from. And like, oh, I got a gift. I made this, you know. Anyway, so I appreciate that so much. Okay, so that's just an update. And continue to post in Facebook. If you're not in this video, then you'll be in my next video. So, yeah. Thank you guys for joining in on this crochet along. I appreciate it. So much fun, and I'm having as much fun as you guys are. Your fun is exciting me so much. Okay, guys, be sure and stay for the slideshow at the end so you can see some of the towels that were already submitted, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.